Hi, I'm Renu. You're welcome to Healing Recipes. Dahi vada is a very popular dish, but dahi vada from Lucknow has a unique taste. Although I've made it with the oil-free twist for the health purposes, but you can always fry it in oil if you so want. I've taken 1 cup of urad dal and 1/4 cup of moong dal washed and soaked for 6 hours. 1 teaspoon of freshly roasted cumin powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida or Hing. 1 tablespoon of raisins, 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts chopped fine, 1 tablespoon of chopped green chilies, 1 teaspoon of ginger minced. I'm going to grind both the dals together just with 2 or 3 tablespoons of water. See the texture of the ground mixture. It's not made very fine as the chunks of dal in dahi vada taste much better. Add hing, salt and the cumin powder and mix well. Stir the spoon in one direction only. Please do not move it in the opposite direction. Next add the ginger, raisins, cashew nuts and the green chilies. Now it needs a good mix for at least 4 to 5 minutes, but we'll have to apply some force to the spoon so that the batter becomes nice and fluffy. I'll pour the batter in the silicone mini muffin molds. Half the batter can make 12 dahi vadas. Add about 2 tablespoons of water in the plate and put the plate in the microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you do not have silicone molds, you can easily use butter paper cups. Just double them and pour the batter in them. In that case, keep some water in the side of the plate. You can check with the toothpick if the dahi vadas are done. After taking them out, let them cool for about 2 to 3 minutes. The perfect size vadas are ready and they will come out of the mold easily on cooling. You can see how soft and spongy they are. Here I've taken some hot water in a pan with some salt and heat. I'll put all the vadas in this water for about 3 minutes and then turn them over for about 2 minutes. In the meantime, I took 2 cups of curds or yogurt and whisk it. Add half a cup of milk and 250 milliliters of whipping cream. I have not added sugar, but you can add 3 tablespoons of sugar to get the typical Lucknowi taste to it. Also add freshly roasted cumin powder to the mixture. Take out the vadas into a dish and squeeze out the water from the vadas one by one and keep dipping them in the dahi that you have prepared. Dahi vadas are ready. You can serve them in a dish. Sprinkle some black salt, cumin powder and red chili powder. And don't forget to add some chutneys. You can garnish as you like. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.